What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am gonna walk you through creating a Facebook account on your mobile phone step by step. Alright, so first thing first, grab your phone and unlock it. Once you are on the home screen, find the App Store if you are using an iPhone or the Google Play Store if you are on Android. Next, in the search bar, type Facebook. You will see the official Facebook app pop up. Tap on it to open the download page. Now that you have downloaded and installed the app, let's open it. On the welcome screen, you will see a couple of options. If you don't have an account yet, tap on create new account. If you already have an account and want to log in, simply enter your details. Now it's time to fill in your info, your first name and your last name. Now tap on next button. Select your name type. Select your birth date. Select your gender. And here type your Gmail address. And next. Now you will be asked to set up a password. Make sure it's something secure and something you will remember. Now tap on next. Tap on save and I agree. Now enter the code from the Gmail. Here is my code. Copy and paste here. Then next. Congratulations, you have just created your Facebook account. You can now personalize your profile by adding a profile picture, cover photo and some info about yourself. Done. And that's it. You are all set to start connecting with your friends, sharing posts and exploring everything Facebook has to offer. Thanks for tuning in guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Comment down below if you have any question or if there anything else you would like to learn about. Catch you in the next video. Bye.